cute though. You snore? You snore. How the hell you snore? You ain't even fat. You cute and shit. I say that with all due respect. I saw your eyes light up, bro. Don't do that, dog. I can't fight. Look at my fat ass, dog. Bro, if I drop something right now, you know I can't pick it up. Oh, I got the C. You got the CPAP? No, you go. You selfish then. She selfish. I apologize. That's why you look tired, brother. It's okay. He goes, yeah, he's still good. I don't say nothing, but I cry on the inside. No, guys, it's bad for me. I got sleep apnea, man. Even my little logo, that's a CPAP right there, bro. Got the CPAP right here, CPAP gang. You know what I'm saying? I can't go camping. My friend's like, Panda, let's go camping. No, fool, the bears won't find us, dog.